Golden canola fields stretch under the morning sun, waiting for harvest. The combine moves steadily, cutting and threshing the ripe canola. Fresh seeds pour in a golden stream into the waiting trailer. Tractors carry the harvest along quiet rural roads. Loaded trailers roll away from the fields toward the factory. The convoy joins the highway, heading straight to the processing plant. Canola seeds arrive at the factory gates, ready for the next step. Seeds flow from the trailer into the tall storage silo. Bucket elevators lift the seeds high into the factory tower. Golden seeds fill the massive storage silos one by one. The operator opens the silo gate to begin cleaning. Clean seeds move forward on the vibrating conveyor belt. Air aspiration removes dust and light impurities from the seeds. Purified canola seeds enter the oil extraction hall. The modern factory stands ready under clear morning light. Workers in full PPE enter through the secure main gate. Staff change into complete hygienic protective gear. The production floor hums with activity and stainless steel machinery. Workers step into the oil extraction hall. The expeller press begins crushing seeds to release crude oil. Golden crude canola oil flows toward the refining section. Crude oil enters the refining hall for first purification. Degumming removes gums and impurities from the oil. Centrifuge separates the cleaner oil at high speed. Neutralization removes free fatty acids from the oil. Now washing and vacuum drying prepare the pure oil. Workers check the bright, clean, refined canola oil. Refined oil flows forward to the core processing area. Refined oil fills the large stainless steel mixing vessel. Pasteurized egg yolks are added to the oil base. Vinegar, salt, and mustard join the mixture precisely. High shear mixing begins the emulsification process. The ingredients transform into a thick, stable emulsion. Gentle blending stabilizes the creamy mayonnaise base. The finished base moves toward the main transformation hall. The mayonnaise base enters the final transformation area. Last seasonings are blended into the flowing mixture. High-pressure homogenization creates perfect smoothness. Cooling brings the mayonnaise to ideal temperature. Final colloid mill refines the silky texture. Perfected mayonnaise flows toward the high-speed filling line. The thick white product is ready for precise jar filling. Empty glass jars enter the automated filling station. Nozzles dispense exact amounts of mayonnaise into each jar. Lids are placed and tightly sealed automatically. Labels wrap smoothly around every jar at high speed. Date codes and quality inspection scan each jar. Robotic arms pack jars neatly into shipping cases. The robotic palletizer stacks cases in perfect patterns. Stretch film wraps the full pallet securely. Forklift moves the wrapped pallet to the finishing zone. Workers perform final visual checks on sample jars. Metal detection and X-ray ensure product safety. Laser coder applies final batch and traceability marks. Strapping machines secure the pallet tightly. The finished pallet stands ready for warehouse storage. Approved pallets arrive in the quality control area. Samples are carefully taken from the production batch. Workers carry samples into the testing laboratory. pH and acidity levels are measured precisely. Viscosity testing confirms perfect texture. Microbiological and sensory checks are completed. All tests pass. The batch receives final approval. The forklift carries approved pallets into the warehouse. Pallets are stored safely on tall racking shelves. Inventory is scanned and logged into the system. Picked pallets move toward the dispatch loading bay. Pallets are loaded carefully into refrigerated trucks. Loaded trucks depart the factory for distribution. And this is how modern factories produce mayonnaise from start to finish.